Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 18th of February 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 8's testing for SPX analysis based on the auction chain. So on the 11th of February, the prediction is made for the week ending the 16th, where SPX opened at 5,026.53 and the prediction was up. However, SPX closed at 5,005.56, which gave us a loss of 20.97. In terms of percent, that's minus 0.42%, which brings our cumulative P&L down to positive 0.48%. And SPX's weekly change was the same, making SPX's cumulative return in this time 5.2%, and our alpha doesn't change. So, although this week wasn't good, we did have certainly some better weeks. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. I will see you in the next video. And please, if you want to watch some of my other things, go check out the channel. There are plenty of videos like this which are informational and results of testing for other strategies. And another video will be uploaded soon for Tesla. So if you want to watch out for that, please go ahead and look. But that's all for now. I'll see you next time.